Hi guys, today's niche is about bunnies. Let me just log into my site here, bunnyeat.com. So what I did was I simply used this new feature inside Keywordchef, which is quite amazing actually. You can go into any new niches that you want or find more topics to cover. So what I wanted was I wanted to get into pets because it's a rule to have a pet site. You must. So what you do here is basically go to pets and animals, cat, dog, snakes, lions, like these are the all different topics that you can cover and there are a lot of them, right? But what about if you want to make some money as well? So if you use this filter of CPC, like two, you can cover cat insurance or pet insurance and then have cat or dog insurance inside it and raw dog food. Okay, this is something nice, right? Something different. It has a volume of 81,000. So I just picked this bunnies one because it had like 725k volume. I went for a fresh domain, bunny eat, and I'll share the keyword research part as well. It was simply just using this tool, Keyword Chef. As you can see the trend here, I hope the next upcoming days it would rise, but it's fine, right? You don't need to rank for all 725k volume traffic. Like 10 or 20,000 traffic a month is good enough if you know how to monetize it well. So you can check out the keywords here, like question keywords, best compare, how to, most. I think these are all the categories that I'm using on other sites. This helps me a lot. These are the topic clusters that you can build out of it, like all about bunnies and then wild bunnies, bunny related products. You can add your affiliate links and stuff. So you can actually cover everything here. The top performers basically gives you an idea on which domains are your best competitors. So A to Z Animals is actually a pretty big site with all these different animals. So you can get idea of what topics you should also cover from checking out the top performers. So the blog is hosted on Easy Blog Networks, and I highly recommend you to go and use that because first of all it works with autoblogging like seamlessly, very easily, and it doesn't block your REST API request. You can actually just enable REST API. There's an option here. The next step is to do keyword research or figure out what titles you're going to use to generate the articles for and your category structure. So yeah, these are my reports. Yesterday, before doing the poormet.com, I was figuring out how to use this new feature inside Keyword Chef, and then I figured out the niche that I was going to cover, and I booked the domain, and I also did the keyword research, like can bunnies eat. I'm just covering the diet part of the entire niche. I'll add more to it later on, and actions copy, like these are quite less. And add question mark in the end. I really like rejects. Bunnyeat.com keywords. This is it, only 173 keywords. I think the featured images and multiple AI images inside the article should be really nice. I'm hoping it to be nice. Let me just go to the profile section. I just installed the Cadence theme and user Dwight. Let's use ChatGPT to create an author persona. Like create an author persona of Dwight Soto, who is the owner of BunnyEat.com that covers what should bunnies eat. Also add some history, designations, achievements, real life story, etc. Make sure to use less than 250 characters for the entire persona. And I think this is like way more. This is nice. Okay. This is a source context. I'll just set up the auto post to WordPress fields editor. Let me pick the password from EasyBlog Network's dashboard. Category ID, we'll be using category name as diet, and auto generate slugs. No, it's fine. Publish, yes. Multiple AI images, yes. Perfect. Let's go. this is it. 95 now. They will soon be all here. So that's it, guys. Check out the site in your own system. I have shared the link to this in the description below. And yeah, let me know what you think of the images. Or is there any way I can improve these sites, or any questions that you might have? See you guys tomorrow with a new site.